HP 2019 newest premium 15.6-inch HD laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I bought the basic configuration. My friend is a tech savvy and helped me upgrade the RAM from 4GB to 8GB and replace the 500GB HDD to 256GB SSD. The laptop runs significantly faster than when I received it. It can run more than 10 tabs at the same time under Google Chrome web browser. Remember to update Windows before installing any softwares, remove bloatwares when replacing the HD to SSD and clean install the Windows 10. Mine comes with Windows 10s, new from Microsoft, do not like it. You can switch to regular Windows 10 by turning off the S mode. 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left of your screen. 2. Select the Settings icon, located just above the Power icon on the Start menu. 3. Select Update and Security in the Settings app. 4. Select Activation, and then select Go to Store. 5. Select the Get option under Switch out of S mode. 6. Then hit Install when ready to proceed. 7. The process to switch out of S mode is seconds, maybe about 5 to be exact. You do not need to restart the PC for it to take effect. You can just continue on and start installing exe apps now in addition to apps from the Microsoft Store. I have an HP desktop and I am very happy with it. Therefore, when I found I needed a laptop, I looked at the HP laptops and found that this was a great deal. I wanted a screen that wasn't too small. This laptop is light, the screen is large enough to have two windows open side by side while I work and the price is right. I recommend this HP laptop highly. This laptop has all I need and then some. Even though I am fearful of the leap from Windows 7 to 10, I'm up for the adventure. The only thing I am not happy about is that the operating system was listed as Windows 10 and it is actually 10s. I haven't gotten good input on if I should delete the S or not. I really haven't had it long enough to have explored all aspects of the new purchase. I have just today experienced some problems in getting my email. Intel dual-core AMD A6 9225 2.6 GHz base frequency burst frequency up to 3.0 GHz, with DVD drive, no touchscreen. AMD Radeon R4. RAM is upgraded to 8GB memory for multitasking. Adequate high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. Webcam, 802.11b/g/n, Bluetooth DVD-RW, 2x USB 3.0 Type A, 1x USB 2.0, 1x HDMI, 1x RJ45, 1x headphone/microphone combo. Windows 10 64-bit OS, provide a familiar and productive experience, while delivering enterprise-grade flexibility and security. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.